with my deceiver.
And it's not me boring to
I mean, normally there are some things that I don't use stars for. But if you follow your kind of day, your main new queen kwame. Say all the stars na ya. Best man myself put I know screen I'm in chawade. On that is about 37 matches. 6 clean sheets, 51 goals conceded. Now, young compare on a Wallach 33 games, 4 clean sheets, 65 goals conceded to Richard Ofori this season. Richard Ofori Mazulu in the DSTV Premier League of South Africa, 19 matches and wobble. We conceded 17 goals, 8 clean sheets. Kwame said one Richard Ofori didn't make 19 matches, 17 goals conceded, 8 clean sheets. And if that is anything to go by there, then Atizigi and Wolcott has no business doing in the Black Stars. If that's what we are going to use, if that's our premise. Not comparing the leagues now airborne or the mechanism, and I'm able. Because name that crashes and no account about Omaya Fence Ghana. Because the young go and near bro. Goalkeepers, idea and go pon edit drum yankasa. At some point in time, Kwame or goalkeeper or Maimwa. You two are about the best player in Africa, Kwame, Udi second. Kwame, you the best players, and your best goalkeepers. Best player in Africa, a goalkeeper came second. Adwe Ganani and Robert Manson, 1971. And then, you do Ankara. Kwame, Edward Ansa, and even on balance on Kwame Samia J. They were all there. We've seen it all. Then I say, in the land of the blind, one-eyed man is a king. No disrespect to any of them will be in because me now into a time near name. Kwame, let's be sincere to ourselves. Benjamin Sari echo da blast come in Japan, but now Bonabaso. But when you the test some of us near pen. When ya. Yeah.
And you defenders not show media.
Teams Benny is show. What's that make come down? Okay.
So Okofa teams I show more there. Yeah, but Afcon qualifies team Benny show. Yenya goalkeepers are no more Ghana concede goals are. Now and yet we why are they assistant defenders? You can only beat what is put in front of you. A banner batcher and a gamer football. A dear done team have done no bit no my day. Abo. Naga need 2 people abo and now you know me a boy. But Kwame, let's be sincere. Look, at the highest level of football in Africa, young most share teams we. And some men are so proving who are Kwame. You bet me out to say we have a goalkeeper. Even with that, how say age-wise, Kwame, that's the problem. Because there might be a year transitioner. Kwame, you in fact, aged goalkeeper and yet the transition. Sorry. Because not whereby on your best goalkeeper that's material.
Or your short-term fix. Also in everything, we look at the short-term, medium, and the long-term. Or the mechanism. In the short-term, he can provide a solution. But Kwame, in the medium and the long term, no, that will be when you have to figure out who will come in. Do you understand my point of view?
Sure.
Because Blasters said the Kwame and yet 1 year, 2 years, same any year. Yeah, where a goalkeeper that will be in for like 10 years.
So I can't say and na said coach Otuado or Frederick Asario kind. Say or one for the future.
Yeah.
You were done lad. Frederick Asari, Emmanuel Kobi, Felix Che, Lawrence Osei, Heart of Lions. Omunina a goalkeeper sa. Or any son said they all Canada. Say for the future there. Cause here may any come so you started your year.
That's what I'm talking about. And say up the progression wall and they Asari anyini. Or my this short term I fix. Let's find somebody with dehumanize like suddenly I'm talking about a lad no. In the Kwame say progression here Juma when we know we one. That's what most of the best teams on way. And the Egypt team come on number 1. Say Mohamed El Shanawi. At some point in time, no the D Abrante FN say some El Hadari and I say there's some El Hadari mu kwa pull it out of the work the 2018 work or retire no. Now Mohamed El Shanawi Kwame one learn from the best in African football history and no be number 1.
until when you have that tradition Kwame Eboa, and when you look at in the good person down Kwame and shame crying, and then me how no because Kwame tournament be a bekobiano. When you go to Kwame, we are their own tournament. Yaji 1963 Kwame, don't do a first anchor. Go and check. He made sure that Kwame Ghana won the tournament. And they 2010 you go final Kwame ko Richard Kenson in the modern ball. 2010 World Cup Kwame Richard Kenson modern ball. You go for 2006 World Cup I say modern ball. So when you have good people you come that's when you win tournament. Now so about maybe a rookie person Kwame acquire my try area Kwame. That's where the problem lies in.
The woman no.
Kwame the woman. So what are we doing as a nation? Because when you say, we find the problem now, you have 50% way of getting the solution. And you also Kwame, you have a goalkeeping and also striking. Kwame, you have a problem. No? What are we doing to solve it as a nation? Because the moment say you are trying to do the same thing over and over again, expecting different results. Kwame, how do you get it? Unya. And it's a what kind of so goalkeepers don't remember Kwame. There are times that you a national or next class be adding common. Near go baby progression come near loan that club. No say that be a Benton bit more kobo no console say that be a national team better free. And it's a player air you can learn with the manager. So boy way this is what we want to do for the boy. Baby say what kind of career path and the FA and I say Ghana as a country part when you play in people that you identify them as talent. Tama Brazil air connected in 4 World Cup. Na Ronaldo Luis Nazario de Lima. No, you on playing them here. On we say Oswa. That time Brazil now anyone Beto Romario no. Onyem anything. We did on here. On World Cup maybe. Or under stadium. And fast forward Kwame. Years later, he took them to the 1998 World Cup, eventually win it in what 2002. Kwame Ghana ye be paying. The less CKJV. Kwa when him there Ghana ye edemano. The air say around that time you who say Papa no never be there. And what we did was that you send him outside to go and learn his coaching badges. It was Kwame or called German Corporate. After he was done, he came back Kwame wedding. Wama Ghana jo AFCON. Sure. And Kwame ye be paying. You say I refer to for Yenchi. So if you done so for a coach,
problem is a name a football for we. On the mice out Kwame
end to unya Kwame footballers and Kwankai. If you want to go far and then say agents and our power, and it lays with them, Kwame, there's no agent in this country at all. Almost any player on national team. Kwame, there's no agent. And you make me a black side quite a bait and I was not married at channel. I said, I'm the goalkeeper, and I was like to Kwame. Yeah, man, for this part, we so. You need to be in this case, and a good person, I can lad. Wouldn't be hard and lad. As of free Ghana Premier League. Oh, the Mecano. Go to Tamana and Fan, Coco, A. Tamana has a pen or call has a Kwame. Do you think second day, young friend, with this starts? And over a lot of Kwame progression or an age wise wedding. Oh, so you can count on him to give the goalpost for like maybe a 5, 6, 7 years. For you, okay. Bende Kwame, this is what you are left with. Do the world of Kwame. Will be on that 3rd division. 3rd division, Kwame. Probably do no.
Some can say
3rd division. Kwame, Benny Kwame, 3rd division keepers on Meda on national team. It is a one of the 3rd division Kwame. Yambra, ye league him. Yambra, ye league Kwame. You keep a set of board, you know. Oh, bet me, I bend the steady.
Sure.
One the last time we keep it go post Emma Ghana. Okay. Omo team wala ko fa Abdulman Abdul Redeem.
To the BI friend.
Inti kwam omo benches in the national team nei. Young colleague Mr. Kwame, this young people don't be just the platform. Because where amanya omo tournament to Africa Kwame, and nya amanya omo got the best of players so. I amanya omo players omo mental so. Dedication, commitment to the cause of their country. Yawa Zambia beje konka na fluke. Nathan Sinkala, Collins Effect Besuma. Omo sa Abrante Fe Kiso Katongo, Flex Katongo rom. To Pilar Suzu Kwame. Kennedy Winnie. around that time those players were hungry. They realized say baby Ekosi and they had players that died. Kalusha Bola. So let's do something for our nation. They won a tournament. Algeria don't lose their golden generation. Kono mo Hassan Yabda or players coming. Not na Bill FS Belajimo. Kwa win a free nation of Algeria no. Eventually they had players that were hungry. Riyad Mahrez led them. They won the AFCON.
The players never.
80 years then yes Kwame say who say enei. One of I am Kwame. Young fat and blacks local players Emra. Ni making sure Kwame for next maybe 2 to 3 years. Dollars no be a do national team no. Man enye the same year because Kwame ombe die ene asare ko be ya go ka edameboa. Stephen Adams ekoba Kwame who do so be nyai. So if you want to go on that tangent Kwame, young boy or minor. Toda is not about political interest. Kwame football and goalkeeping department Kwame, they go hand in hand. And throughout the history, no single national team and our club team never dominate without a good goalkeeper. Yet time fair say Morocco the last time Echo World Cup, na Yasin Bunu. Time Omar fair say Senegal Ebegene why Edward Mendy, not Chelsea or any Champions League. And the Egypt, everybody come there why?
And then compare this idea. Our players no more than more on it saying. The goalkeepers ni more than more on it. There is so they compare us in the Gabagino, no more Mendy or but Chelsea. So what I say. Now more Egypt Babagino more goalkeeper that Sevilla near. Into you more you good players. Yeah, young Koffon at the same. Morocco di na America. Morocco
be Yasin Bono. No Sevilla Kwame.
So what I say.
Zambia can do winning no South Africa. No ni Europe, no South Africa.
The performance of net saying.
Kwame, yes, the performance my white say. Yeah, the performance league at say. You got league performance never compare. And they aside we say they are aside say. Age wise Kwame football, I never play SMP focus and me say soon pay. So na mere Emre.
That's aside Onyanye Emre.
Kwame, me say, look, football and goalkeeping. Who you know and I thought that we are better. Go ye who dinos off. Tama Italy echo 982 World Cup, no 41 years. On echo did the World Cup with dinos off in goal post. Kwame, you El Hadari. 2018 World Cup, no around 41 years. What the gonna say? But Kwame, it's not all of them. It's a sorry baby even with that no or making sure that there's a transitional goalkeeper just behind or no. It's Italy Angelo Peruzzi ebenyino no. No the Buffon be here ever for go to them here ever. Into my mo Kwame Tama and they Richard Kenson ebe free mo akọ technical sign di call for Gruso you know. And they Nasame J was there, George Oum was there. You know conference Kwame they were over there. So the transition was quick. Tama but the case Esa ever back no abeno he came to the goalpost and he gave up almost about 10 years. It's been a near year because the Black Stars I wonder for the past years. In your keeper where number 1 they do better 7 years in Yabi. Oberhano Adam Bacha last Kwarase or that 2 years near film. Oberbi Nebia Ose
attack by my
no be them on us ebe ka fun watch after AFCON. Now I find say you also in a film. And they atizigi ebedem retrofori ebedem kakra Kwame I say yeah national team there's no consistency but elsewhere Kwame who say there's consistency in that department right and your fluke say team BM no goalkeeper defense Kwame your entire enyen sakra e wo hono when mar go into that football team BM the heart side department no there more no we unya communication between defense and goalkeeper. And you need it. And so in that communication, a bomber say away, boy no catch watcher with them. Bekwame, omuntu omukasa, oyeya nabo enemu. So ka o maimwa fatawda than Adam Kwase. So meka say Kwase e kasa omuntu omutumi en command backline. And about you maimwa. So tell how communication is key to goalkeeping department. And the Kwame ya nya bressa all the fatawda the prayer. And baby no on count but na friend man be that Ghana because ye nya ya you say the department in lion kwame that baby edri yes ye contradiction mo but just still ye problems na ye nim no kwame yes be fix it
mate me da say eno eye Madiba ana ye tene nka no buru kwan mo